What's up all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today I am back with another Bring It Back Thursday video, and today we are going to be using the Pat McGrath Mothership 9. So I specifically wanted to use this palette today because my spidey senses are tingling, my excitement is getting a little high. So I started buying from Pat McGrath in 2020, and so the trend that I have seen with her since 2020, 2021 is that typically she has been releasing her large Mothership palettes around the summertime, like May, June, July. And so, you know, we're end of May, so June is coming up soon, July. So I'm hoping that very soon we will be getting a Mothership 10, some sneak peeks. And I'm really hoping that, you know, it's not the same rose theme palette that Pat McGrath has been giving us, because she is in love with rose. Like, she's in love. But anyways, this is what the palette looks like. But oh, here we go. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. But before we get started with the actual eye look, let's go ahead and get into our theme song. Whew. Okay, I have to turn my lights down because for whatever reason, it looks a little bit brighter. I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to color correct this once I start editing the video. But anyways, breathe. Y'all, this is a full-on dance routine. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna start priming my eyes using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow base in medium. Y'all, I'm really hoping that, you know, Pat McGrath just does something really exciting this year. I'm really hoping she channels like her earlier days, like Mothership 1 through 3, you know, Mothership 5 type of vibes. Like, I just want something a little bit more darker. Like her past 3 palettes, Mothership 7, 8, and 9, put a little more primer because it's not gonna be enough, have all been very just, you know, light. I think out of like Mothership 7, 8, and 9, 8 was probably the best. It gave us a little something more, but I'm not gonna lie, I was really let down when I saw Mothership 9 Utopian Dream. I was just like, So I really hope that she, you know, that's if we get a 10 this year. I mean, I'm hoping she gives us a 10. And if she does, I'm really hoping that it's, you know, something different. So let's take a look at this palette. My lighting is just really weird today. It just looks really bright. Oh my gosh. But anyway, so this is what this palette looks like. Let me just kind of tilt it down so you can kind of see the color of it just a little better. So yeah, this is it. I think I've only used this palette once, and I think it was last year when I bought it. I know for sure I'm gonna probably use like either these two mattes, or no, maybe not this one, because this one's like more of a peach color. It's really not shown on camera. Man, this really sucks. Like, I don't know why my, okay, you can kind of see the color there, but I don't know what's going on with my lighting today. But I'm thinking maybe use these two colors. They on camera, they look like they're the same shade, but you guys, they are not. This is significantly, well, not significantly, but it is darker. So I'm thinking about using these two shades. Maybe, oh, sorry, here we go. Maybe this shade, that special shade. First, I'm gonna start off with that lighter shade. So I'm gonna go into this shade first, and then I'm gonna go into this shade next. You guys see that I changed my nails. So I am a taper squared type of girl, okay? When it comes to my nails, I like a taper squared look. But I was like, you know, I really wanna try like the almond shape, do like a very like soft color, and like not go too long. And you guys, I absolutely love the way this looked. Like, man, my lighting is like just really like, you know, playing me today. This is supposed to be a baby pink. It looks like my nails are white. My nails are not white. They are baby pink. I have no clue what's going on with my lighting. But you guys might not even see that much because I'm gonna try and like color correct it once I start editing the video. But anyways, yeah, I wanted to go with a more shorter look and try the almond out. And you guys, something about this just looks really like elegant and classy. Like, I'm loving this. I might get this shape for a while. Like for my next couple of nail appointments might just be this, and just doing like solid colors, like no designs, no stones, none of that. Because you guys know I love some loud nails, but I also like, you know, some more quiet nails every now and then. It's not every time, you know, just loud. I go in between, like a mixture, and I'm really loving the way this looks. And also it is cheaper to just because now nail shops, like literally, I was when I was at the nail shop yesterday, I was on the phone with my friend Amy, and she was like, how much are your nails? I'm like, oh, it's nothing bad. It's not even up to 100. And she's like, up to 100, like almost makes it sound like, girl, that's not normal. But the thing is, that's low-key becoming the new norm. Like, I remember, like, I live in Texas, right? And a full set of nails used to be $14.99, you guys. Now nails with how it's changed, like they charge you for everything. You want your nails shorter? Oh, you want cut down? They charge you for that. You want your nails longer? They're gonna charge you for that. You want 5 different colors? They're gonna charge you for that. You want stones? You want this? You want design? They're charging you for every single thing now. And then the price of just a full set has gone up. Most people don't do just regular polish anymore. Like either you're doing powder or you're doing shellac, right? And they charge more for the shellac. And I'm somebody that now that I've experienced shellac, I just can't go back to regular polish. Like I'm not sitting there to wait for my nails to dry. Like I need this to be done and I need to go ahead and pay and be on my way out. I have other things to do than sit at the nail shop and wait for my nails to dry. So they not paying $100 at the nail shop really is cheap now. So next I'm gonna go ahead and go into that darker shade. We're gonna put this here. But yeah, how much, when you guys get your nails done, if you do get your nails done, how much do you normally pay? Like what's an average for you now? Like just if you were to get something like this, or just in general, like what's the average that you pay at the nail shop? And mind you, I only got my nails done yesterday, and if you know, I like to get a pedicure, but I can't get a pedicure right now because something happened to one of my big toes and I have to wait for the nail to grow back out. That definitely would have put me a little bit more over that $100 mark for sure. But yeah, like even now, like you get your toes done, get your nails done, all of that, like you're not spending $100 is not a bad price at this point now at the nail shop. I'm not even joking. Like it's ridiculous. You want like a shape like if you want taper squared, anything besides a regular basic nail shape, which is so ugly to me, it doesn't even look good. I'm like, how did we sit up here and do that for years? You know, if you want anything besides that regular one, if you want taper squared, coffin, almond, they are charging for that. Claws. I don't know how people do claws. I can't get claws. Like, I feel like I'm just gonna be poking I feel like I'm gonna be like Edward Scissorhands, just poking everything, you know? Can't do it. Okay, so this color is really cute. It's a nice little like mauve plum type of color, and I'm here for it. Okay, so now I really want to do something just, you know, soft, you know, to go with my elegant vibe. This is as deep as this palette gets. There's no darker shade in this palette. So for the lid, I'm thinking about doing, I kind of want to do this. I want to take this first and then maybe just take this and glaze it over just a little bit. Sorry, my card was full. You guys, I promise, because I know I keep saying this week I have to go to Best Buy and buy me another SD card because I have been using the SD card that I normally use for my vlogging camera because I've just been too lazy to go to a Best Buy and buy another SD card, and that card already has stuff on their footage that I just don't feel like going through to go delete. I'm gonna get a new SD card. But anyways, I don't remember what I was saying because my camera cut off on me, but I'm gonna take this shade and put this all over. Like when I just wanna be very simple, I just do stuff like this. Put the shimmer all over, and then I'm gonna go back in with the matte shade and like just kind of like blend these two together. So see, this is what I'm talking about. Like this is cute, right? Cute. But I really wish this palette just had like just one more deeper shade, because this is very similar to something that Pat McGrath already has, like as far as like the vibes of it. I'm taking this brush and I'm going back into that last dark brown, that deeper brown shade that I put down first to blend this into each other. Like her Mothership 7 definitely gives off this vibe, like, you know, very similar vibes, very light, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go into that duochrome. This is a duochrome, it's not a multi-chrome. I just see two shades, like a purple and a blue. If it will show you guys, yeah, y'all see the blue and the purple. So I think I wanna just like place this on the middle of my lid, almost look like I'm trying to do a halo eye with all shimmers. Let's see how this looks. This is an experiment, you guys. And we're just gonna go ahead and like just, you know, blend that all over. Do you guys even see that? It's not showing on camera, and in person it's just giving a little something. Yeah, I feel like yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. The palette is cute, but I mean, it could have been better. Like this palette is just so very limiting, you know? But for anybody who does own this and it's just like, why, you know, I want to look to do, I mean, this is, hopefully this gives you some inspiration, but there's not really much that can be done with this palette. At least for like the way I like to do makeup. This palette is very limiting to the types of looks you can do because of just the shades that are in here. It's something for me that I would definitely want to pair with another palette, because I would get very bored of this palette. Like I can't go any darker than this. this. This is all I can do. But if you love really light shades like this, oh, you're gonna love this palette. You're gonna love it. Okay, so I think this is it. You can't really see that shimmer that I put down all over the lid. Like in person, I'm seeing it. So let me go ahead and put on some eyeliner. Some eyeliner. Some eyeliner. I love this eyeliner, you guys. This is my second one. I finally bought a new one after having this for like over a year, y'all. Like well over a year. It took me forever to finish this. This right now, listen, if you're somebody that's always looking for like a really, really black pen liner, because listen, the Stila, the Kat Von D, those are the ones that like most people know about. This is way darker, and it stays darker a lot longer, and it doesn't dry out as quickly. I'm telling you guys, this is the good thing that, you know, One Size Beauty did. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut over. Like, I like to almost make my eyeliner a little bit thicker. It just gives a little something more to the eye. And now we need some mascara. I'm gonna take this one by Kosas. This is the Big Clean Black Intense, or the Big Clean Mascara Intense Black. This eye look is cute, but it's so simple at the same time. I don't know, like I feel like I'm slightly complaining at the same time. I'm also giving a compliment. Like, I don't know how to explain what I'm feeling. Like, this is what I was going for because the plans I have today. I wanted to be a little bit softer, but then my complaint more so coming like, you know, my personal preference, I would like a little bit more, and I wouldn't mind this type of, you know, palette if Pat McGrath hadn't been giving us some palette for the past 3 palettes. Ma'am, it's like, Pat, are you allergic to darker colors? Are you allergic to black? Because I'm not understanding, like, why do we keep getting these light colors? Like, they're in every palette, like her little 6 pans, her little quads, or her quads are all her little special shades. Like, ma'am, please, can we get something just a little bit more pigmented? Okay, a little more darker. Lashes. Today, I'm gonna be using, of course, I love these lashes. I get them from AliExpress, okay? They're like $2 and some change. I get the style 5D80. I buy it in bulk because I want to wait, you know, and it takes me forever to finish it. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like before I like actually glue them on. Let me see if I can show you guys. I wear these lashes pretty much on my videos. If you see me with lashes on, more than likely are these lashes. Like, boom, look at that. Look at that, you guys. These look just like the Lily Lashes, the Miami. Is it Miami or is it Mykonos? It's one of them. Both of them are really popular. I want to say it's the Miami, yes. No, actually, no, sorry, no, it's Mykonos. And y'all be spending $30 on their lashes, on those lashes, that you can get the same exact thing from AliExpress. Listen, if you haven't tried these lashes out, try them out, okay? I have it linked down below. Go ahead and get that. Also, I wanted to let you guys know this because I haven't been on camera in a while, but I now have an affiliate link with Clarity Cosmetics. So I believe my code is just Ask Whitney, and it saves you 5%. And I have that link down below. So if you guys wanted to shop Clarity Cosmetics, I will get, like, you know, some of the proceeds. I will get a little something, but it's not real, you know. Do what you want to do. You don't have to shop through the link, but I do have a code now. I just haven't been on camera to tell you guys, and they did release a new palette. I personally did not want that palette, so that's why I didn't buy it. So I didn't know when I was gonna actually have a chance to tell you guys, because I'm not planning on filming a video using their stuff anytime soon. So yeah, if you love Clarity Cosmetics and you know you're ever shopping and you're looking for a discount code, I do have one. It's Ask Whitney, so feel free to use my code. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just throw these lashes on and do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys everything completed. Okay, I'll be back shortly. All right, guys, so this is the completed look. Very soft, very simple. Okay, listen, I did do a little some, so let me show you guys what I did real quick. Okay, so let's see, where are those 2 brushes that I used? All right, so I took these 2 brushes. I took this one right here. This is a Morphe M432. I took the ColourPop Smoke Show palette, and I just took their black. You can take any black, and I smudged that down below. So I took the second matte shade that I put on my in my crease. I first put that down below, then I took this right here because it's really thin, and I just took that black and I just like smudged that down like here, like this. and that's what y'all see there. Okay, and then I took this brush next. This is another Morphe brush, and this is the Morphe M431. It's like a nice pencil brush. So I went into that black, and I went over, let me get real close so y'all can see this. So I went over this to kind of like smudge out that liner that I put down, and then as you guys can see, it's very slight. I just curved it slightly up a little bit, just a little bit, to just, you know, give a little something, but it's not much. And that's what I did for my eyes, and yeah, I just had to give it a little more pizzazz. But anyways, yeah, that is that. Anyway, so that is that. This palette is really cute, you know, like I stated in the video. I really wish that she would have just went a little bit darker, but it's cute nonetheless. That's really it. Oh, for my lips, I am wearing the NYX lip liner in Espresso, and then I have the Huda Beauty, their lipstick in the shade. Let me show you guys. And by the way, literally, because I don't say it all the time. Pretty much all my past videos that you guys have seen at this point for the past, I don't know, 7, 8 videos, it has been this lip combo. So NYX lip liner in Espresso, Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Staycation. It's like a grayish type of nude. I love it. I'm almost out, you guys. I'm gonna buy another one of this one to finish that. And then I have the MAC lip gloss in the shade See-Through. I don't know if this is still being sold, and it's see-through with a C dash and then through THRU. And that is my lip combo, and that is today's look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also comment down below any video that you want to see for a future Bring It Back Thursday, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.